Sawadee-kap. How are you? Everything
Hi,
okay? Welcome back to the Cascades Resort in Rawai. Now we're gonna teach you how to make the most famous Thai dish in the world. It's called fried rice, khao pad in Thai. In this case, we're gonna make it with seafood. You can choose your meat. Yeah, it could be chicken or pork. In this case, as I said before, it's seafood. We're using 6 prawns, already cleaned. Please keep the tail. Clean the back of the prawn and all the skin out. 1 medium-sized calamari sliced. Okay? And 1 chopped garlic clove. 2 eggs. 2 cups of steamed white rice. Jasmine rice preferably. Chopped onion, tomatoes,
carrot,
and carrot. We're gonna use half a white onion, 2 tomatoes chopped, and carrot, half a carrot. About
yes,
2 spoons of spring onions, all chopped. Okay, for the sauces we're gonna use, well, the condiments, Maggi or Knorr, sugar,
and
oyster sauce, okay, soybean sauce or soy sauce, Formula 1. Okay, now we're going to go to the frying pan,
put oil,
preferably a wok,
oil,
vegetable oil, about 1 tablespoon. Make sure the fire is high, at high temperature. Stir it well until the prawns get that beautiful orange color. Make sure not to overcook the prawns. So we're going to cook them on the squid, calamari, and the prawns no more than a minute. Okay, now we're going to add 2 eggs. Mixing with the seafood. Same technique as making scrambled eggs. As I mentioned earlier, you could use beef, pork, or chicken for this dish. We have chosen seafood as it is the most delicious one here in Thailand. Vegetables, the tomato, onion, carrots. Now we're going to add the steamed rice. Please keep in mind this portion is to serve 3 to 4 people. Mix all the ingredients well. Always at high fire, very important. After we mix the rice with the vegetables and the meat, we're gonna put the fire down to low, and we're going to add now oyster sauce, 3 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon, 2 Maggi powder or Knorr, vegetable 1 or chicken, 2 tablespoons. Okay,
And
then
sugar.
1 teaspoon of sugar,
And
2 of soya sauce. We're gonna stir it well. Keep in mind we're doing this at low fire at the moment. So Kuna, how is looking? All good? Okay, now the last step is to add the spring onions, chopped spring onions for garnish.
Okay.
Well, 10 seconds, we switch off the gas and we're ready to serve it. This beautiful plate, big enough for 3 to 4 people, as I said before. She had used garnishings, spring onions, lime, tomatoes, cucumbers. A nice and easy recipe to enjoy with families for lunch. Okay, and that's it, that's all. Kuna, thank you so much. Kapul Makat, okay? Please come to Cascades Resort to learn more of cooking classes with Kuna. Welcome anytime.